is a problem with with the traffic enforcers as well. For example, the MMDA, because they should have already blocked the road. Paano kami ang ibang tao sa lugar? Yung driver? Hindi mo alam na gano'n siya kalalim. Wala, kasi tingnan mo, who will tell me? Who will tell me? Really? Did you guys even tell me? Ay, well, nandito kami eh. Ay, sino ba yung mga nandoon? Nandito kami, nasa site niya kami. Sino yung mga nandoon sa site na yun? Did anyone tell? Wala, nobody even stopped. Nobody informed. It's like people were waiting for somebody to just do that. Hindi mo ba nanulat sa mga malalim? Well, bakit ako? Diba?